Hey guys, welcome back. Today's another hair video and I just want to get into what my hair is looking like, why it's looking like this, why my part's not straight and all that good stuff. So I'm in a rush actually. It don't seem like it, but I am. I got somewhere to be in a couple of hours, so I was trying to do a quick style, well to me a quick style that I can easily put together and still look cute. So right now I'm just parting my hair in the back of my head. I'm not trying to make it neat or anything because I'm going to be doing some crochet in the back. So I'm just parting and braiding as I go. Every now and then I did use a mirror to kind of, you know, part my hair, but I wasn't trying to do nothing special. So that's what you're going to see. And yes, my nappy naps back there. I did not grab them. I didn't need to grab them. I'm going to pull them out more than I already did, but it's not neat back there, guys. It's going to be covered up. I don't plan on putting all my hair up in a ponytail. And as you see the style, who would want to put all this in a ponytail? So this is pretty much the ending of me doing my last braid, or the ending of me braiding the back of my hair for my crochet. This is my last braid. I was surprised that it looked okay. Yeah, my parts could be a little bit better. But like I said, I'm trying to rush to do this so I can get my babies together before we head out the door. And voila, there it go, looking crazy. So this is the hair, my leftover hair that I've used like multiple times. And I'll say that later in the video. All those my babies being loud in the back. But I used this crochet hair. I've used it a couple of times and I just decided to go ahead and use it again because ain't nobody got time to go to the store and get more hair. So I'm just speeding up this part of it because I start out doing my perimeter first. I'll do the crochet of my perimeter before I fill in the middle, just in case if I don't have enough. And this is for anybody that get hair and they don't have enough, or they don't think they have enough. Do your perimeter first before you do your middle. So that's kind of how it looks right now. And then I'm gonna go into doing my front because I'm done and it looked okay. I mean, like I said, I could do better. So for my front, I had some leftover hair, like I said before, when I had did those tribal braids before this, and I had some leftover hair, so I went ahead and used it to braid the front of my hair. Now I would have braided my own hair, but as you can see, I ain't got no edges. I'm bald, so I'm got some products, some New Girl that I'm gonna put on my hair. I was told that it does help, so I went ahead and spread that on my hair. And then I also got this leave-in conditioner that I love so much, and I sprayed it all over my head. That's the leave-in conditioner that I use all the time. It makes my hair so soft when I take my braids down. So I didn't know how I was gonna do my hair. I was gonna do straight backs, curls, curved all the way around, but really I just did a freestyle of parting my hair, and however it went, that's how it was gonna go. But this is the edge control or braid control gel that I use to, I guess, slick. Ain't really slick it, but I just used it to tame my edges, I guess you could say. So here I go, going straight into braiding my hair. I didn't do nothing special. I didn't want the braids to be long because I knew I was going to cover it up with the crochet hair. So you're just going to watch me braid my hair, and I will be back to talk a little bit more about the style. more left to do. And I don't think I can do it with him in my hand because he's a busy body. Uh-oh. He wants the baby. Okay. I got you, baby. Let's get you on the other side. Uh-oh. He getting mad. Alright. I'll be back. Here, Papa. Baby hungry. It looks so cute just being down like this, but I want the bun at the top because I already started it right here. So what I'm gonna do is just add a little bit more because I tested out the bun before I came back and it wasn't big enough. So what I'm gonna do is just add, I guess just add to the top of this. So I'll be back when I get ready to make my bun, but I'll just add it to wherever I need to. Okie dokie, so I'm back and now I'm about to get ready to do the bun. So I got all the hair to the front. This is how much I have. It's a lot. I feel like I was gonna cut it, but they can be for a new style. So what I'm gonna do is grab all the ones that's in the front so I can get ready to do my bun. So all the ones to the front. I probably could just even do a ponytail. Let's see. If I don't want to do a bun, you want to keep it simple, I could probably just throw it in. Oh, that's what I did. I got it in a ponytail. So that's how it looks in a ponytail. I would need to add some more, but that's how it looks in a ponytail. I like the little side. Ooh, it's a lot of hair for the summer. I don't know if I should twist it. How you do a bun? Like this? Like that. Trying to see. Is that too big? I don't know. Cute, maybe. Let's see. I like it like that. Maybe I'm gonna fix it, but you get the concept. It looks so cute. I don't know how long it took. Oh shoot, I would have to bobby pin it up and everything, but this is what it looks like. I don't know if it's too high for my head or whatnot. Like if I'm in the movies, oh my gosh, I'm blocking everybody's view. But this is what it's looking like. I think it's cute. I did a good job of trying to hurry up and get my hair done before we leave. But yeah, this is what it's looking like. So I'm gonna post some little pictures at the end of the video. And guys, tell me what y'all think about this style. Do you like it, or would you do something different? I don't know. I was just trying to hurry up and do something. And this is like leftover hair that I had. I've been having this for like a couple years now. I put this in my hair multiple times, so I just decided to go ahead and try to use it again. I'm thinking about cutting it before I throw it away. I'm probably gonna cut it like short. I don't know how it will look, but I'll cut it short and see how that goes. But guys, this is what it's looking like. So I'm gonna go and put on some clothes and whatnot, take a little cute little pictures, and you'll see it at the end. But thank you guys so much for watching. Again, let me know what you think about this style, if it's a yay or a nay. But anywho, I'll see y'all on my next video. Bye bye.
Yeah, they finna know the name. The shit you putting out will be so ashamed, boy. Everybody got a version of the story. Yeah, you know what I've been through, but you don't know the pain, boy. See, I got dreams of being rich. Probably why I feel like the king in this.